What's happening, people of this beautiful world? I'm here at Aamco Transmission in Kissimmee, Florida, which happens to be the world's largest transmission specialist. As you see, there's my beast there, my truck. They just put a brand new Super Duty transmission in my truck because I haul a lot of heavy stuff. I carry a 34-foot, 10,000-pound RV, and their shops are always full. As you see, their parking lots are full. These are people getting stuff done to their vehicles. Even the hospitals trust this place, as you see, to fix their vehicles. Again, this is Aamco. Reasonable prices, good people to talk with. They fixed my problem. I don't have a problem no more. As you come in the shop, you see the people in the shop. Remember them horns. They will help you the best they can. They will take care of your business.
Yes, we will.
All right, guys. Have a blessed day. They'll do well. Have a great one. Bye. Come to Aamco Transmissions. They'll hook you up, do you proud, and send you on your way home with a fixed vehicle. And it was reasonable. So that's what counts in everything. God be with everybody. Peace.